Hi guys, I'm just going to show you a video today on the speedo that we've installed, the digital cockpit speedo we've installed on a Granturismo, which is obviously a Maserati. As you can see, it's a vast improvement to the car. I'm quite impressed with this. Quite a glitzy product. So I'm just going to give you a tiny bit of a rundown, just to show you what it's got in terms of how it looks and stuff like that. So we've installed this today with the sport off, park off and ice sort of thing. That's a machine, but obviously them buttons that you just see in the sport and ice, they will link up with these radios. Off screen I'm going to press the sports button and you can see it changes into sport mode. Alternative, you press the ice button, changes into ice mode. I'm going to press the traction control button. So that basically sorry, 1 second. As you can see, it turns the park and brake off and on. I pressed the wrong button then. And now what I'm going to just show you is these buttons down here, which is obviously, oops, sorry, 1 second. These buttons which control going through the menu. So I'm just going to zoom into this and show you obviously the modes I've got. So there's your main menu. Got your driver assist, your park assist, vehicle settings, stored messages, audio, start stop, trip computer, your fuel consumption, your driver mode, and the vehicle information, and then back to main menu. You can change this to miles per hour kph, which we'll sort out in a moment. But yeah, so really nice feature in the car. So if you've got any further questions, get in touch with us. We'll put the link down below on where to purchase, and also we'll put in all our contact details. So yeah, give us a shout if you need us anyway. Hope to see you soon. Take care, bye bye.